In today's video, I'm Chang to teach you how to hide filters Notion tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to collapse your filter controls in a Notion database, so your workspace feels cleaner and your content takes center stage. First, a quick bit of context. Filters in Notion let you narrow down what you see in a database by only showing items that meet certain conditions, like tasks due this week, or notes tagged for a specific project. Once you've set those conditions, the filter settings bar and filter chips can take up visual space at the top of your database view. Hiding them is perfect when you want a tidy dashboard, a distraction-free board, or a table you can share without the extra setup panel in sight. Here's what to do. Move your attention to the toolbar at the top of your database view. You'll see familiar options like sort and group, and nearby you'll find the filter icon, typically a small funnel symbol. If your filter controls are currently visible, you may also see filter chips or a filter bar right beneath the toolbar, showing the rules you previously set. Simply click the filter icon once. That's it. Notion immediately tucks away the filter panel and any visible filter chips, hiding the filter you already set up. Your database remains filtered behind the scenes, so the results you're viewing don't change. You're only hiding the controls. This keeps your page clean and focused while preserving your logic exactly as it is. This behavior is consistent across common Notion database views, including tables, board, galleries, lists, and calendars. Whether you're reviewing tasks on a Kanban board or browsing a gallery of design assets, clicking the same filter icon will collapse the filter controls and keep your layout minimal. A couple of helpful cues while you work. If you've hidden the filter but forget whether one is active, glance at the filter icon. It often indicates that a filter exists, and your items on screen will reflect that. Remember, you haven't removed or disabled anything. You've just hidden the settings. If you ever want to check or adjust those conditions later, click the same icon again to bring the controls back into view. To recap, after you've set your desired filter, click the filter icon to hide the filter controls. Your database stays filtered, your page looks cleaner, and you can focus on the content that matters most. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more streamlined Notion workspace.